So welcome back to my channel, guys. Today in this video we're going to be looking at 5 of the most coolest and stylish flick ups that you can do easily. So before getting into this video, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos, and also hit the bell icon if you want to see them first. So with that said, let's just jump into this video.
So welcome to this voiceover commentary, guys. Here's the first flick up of the day, and this is the Zlatan flick up. It was named after the great player Zlatan, who first invented this trick. Place your toe part on top of the ball and bring it back, and bring the toe on the ground so that you can make a pop and let the ball come in the air. And when the ball is in the air, the next step is to control it with the other foot or the same foot. Keep the leg on top of the ball and do like this. Push the leg behind so that you can get the motion where you can flick the ball on top. Keep practicing this until you get a straight pop, and do not make the ball go away from you so that it looks cleaner. Here's the second flick up of the day. This is the squeeze. Place like an equal distances from the ball, and then make a little squat and jump and bring the legs together so that your toe parts meet each other at the same place where the ball is placed, and the ball pops up just like that. The first step is to squat correctly so that you can get an even jump when you pop the ball straight. Here's another angle where you can learn how to squat and then pop the ball. Here's the third flick up of the day, guys. This is the heel tap flick up. You place the ball between your legs and then bring your stronger foot up. Make the ball go in the air like this. Keep on doing this, and then don't forget to hit the leg on the ball during the first bounce. Most people tend to do this with the second bounce, but it does not look clean. So do it with the first bounce so that it pops up straight, and then control with your other foot. Here's the back side of the. So most people tend to hit this straight so that the ball goes straight up, and then it's very hard to control it. Make sure you hit the ball to the side so that it's easy to control with the same foot. Here's the trick number 4 of the day, guys. This is the slap. Place the ball behind the outstep of your weak foot, and then bring the stronger foot over the ball and close the 2 feet between each other and flick it up so that the ball comes up straight. Make sure you do this straight so that it's very easy to flick it up and then also to control the ball. Keep this doing repeatedly so that you get the use of it, and then you can do it every time you do this. Here's the 5th trick of the day, guys. This is a scoop. While doing a scoop, this can be holding the ball, or you can release the ball when you lift it. Bring your foot inside of the ball by keeping the inside of your foot below the ball, and then scoop the ball up and hold it. So here's a recap of all the tricks, guys. So this is the popcorn flick, where you need to place the ball and pop it back so that it comes straight. So second one is the heel tap flick up, where you tap the ball with the heel by lifting it over and controlling it with the other foot. This is flick Flick up number 3 guys, the squeeze, where you place the foot equal distances between the ball and push the two legs between them, and then the ball flicks up automatically. One is the slap, where you place the weak foot over the ball and then bring the strong foot on the other side and bring the two foot together and slap the ball on top so that the ball pops up straight. So here's the scoop guys, the last flick up. So bring the foot below the ball and then scoop it and then control it with the same foot.
Hope you all learned from this video guys. If you had any doubts, let me know in the comments down below. So also let me know if you are enjoying watching this type of videos. Also when you're down there, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. And until the next video, is Prashant Bhai signing off and peace.